So we did big jobs, and we were on cutting edge technology. We did, steel plants. We did at school. We did a lot of big things. I'm here to tell you that in teaching this course, I'm going to give you an overview and show you what this is all about. I'm going to show you how it all breaks down. But I repeat, I am not going to sit in this class for the next 3 or 4 months, and I'm going to concentrate on these formulas, because as everybody, if you're listening to me, you will never, ever, ever, ever use one of these formulas in the field. So I'm not going to sit here and I'm not going to chew you up and spit you out on something you ain't never going to use. Now you better stop and listen. Power factor and efficiency, you damn right you're going to use. And you have to understand, and we're going to do experiments with this in here, in our meter class. I'm going to show you this stuff. I didn't say I'm not going to make you fully conversant with this and fully understand this. I didn't say that. I said I'm not going to chew you up and spit you out on the use of these formulas, because you ain't never going to use them. Does this make sense to everybody?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do today, and hopefully I get done today, is I'm going to do a presentation on AC theory. Right? We'll definitely, if we're not done today, we'll be done within the first hour of tomorrow, hour and a half tomorrow, and we'll be moving on, and we're going to move into meters. Okay, and we're going to get in here, we're going to do a lab, and we're going to start seeing all this shit up close and personal. Does that make sense to everybody? So we've been doing enough of this sit on our ass paperwork stuff. I don't like it. And I was bad mouthing this guy yesterday, because I told him, if you think this shit is what I like to do or what I'm about, you know what? You're butt Joe Boo, right? So the bottom line is, this isn't my cup of tea, and it isn't my cup of tea because you're not going to use it. You have to understand it. You're going to use it in a different way. You're not an engineer, so you're not designing and building the product, but you're going to have to know, like power factor, you're going to use in the field. Efficiency, that's what we're doing in the night class, right? We're in motors, and efficiency is huge, right? We just spent an hour on that last night. So yes, those areas we've got to be conversant with, and yes, you have to know what inductive reactance is, what causes it, the effects in the circuit, and we're going to measure that and see all that up close and personal here in the meter lab. So I'm throwing this all out because I have a different spin on how I want to teach and present the material in the class. I don't like these dry, boring classes where you sit on your ass. I mean, I had to do that as an apprentice. And you guys are lucky. You got a calculator. Shit, we have slide rules. So, when you guys sit here, you guys complain about your damn calculators. It's like up your butt, Joe Boo. I had to use up a frickin' slide rule. So everything power is a 10. So if you didn't know power is a 10, you were screwed, blued, and tattooed. So does that make sense to everybody? So this is what we're